Hello, I am Representative Sheila Stubbs, and I represent the beautiful 77th Assembly District, which is comprised of the south and west parts of Madison, as well as the village of Shorewood Hills. My district is home to part of the University of Wisconsin-Madison campus, Madison College Goodman campus, and Edgewood College. It is an honor to speak with you today about health equity and the urgent need to curb tobacco use in our community. As the chair of the Wisconsin Legislative Black Caucus, I have been outspoken in my opposition to the tobacco companies' marketing of menthol cigarettes to the Black community. In Wisconsin, Black people have a life expectancy that is 7 years lower than our white counterparts. We face higher rates of heart disease, cancer, and strokes, which are the leading cause of death in our community. Menthol cigarettes are a direct contributor to the poor health outcomes, and now is the time for a change. I was proud to hear that as of April 29th, 2021, that the Biden administration is committed to banning the sales of menthol cigarettes. While this process is still ongoing, I will continue to stand by efforts to curb cigarettes, the use of cigarettes in our community. In addition to this, I am also a co-sponsor on the Assembly Bill 348, which increases the minimum age to purchase tobacco, nicotine, or other vapor products to age 21. This bill would put Wisconsin law in line with current federal policy and will strengthen Wisconsin's commitment to healthier communities. God bless you. God bless the state of Wisconsin, and God bless the United States of America.